In the quiet corners of classified airfields and secure bunkers, a rumored military project, known only as Project Specter, has been whispered about. Unlike traditional UAVs or manned aircraft, this alleged drone swarm operates with a chilling level of autonomy capable of identifying targets, rerouting missions, and even coordinating with other drones without a single human command. Project Specter isn't just a drone, it's an intelligent, self-evolving collective. Powered by cutting-edge battlefield AI, these drones reportedly use decentralized decision-making, meaning if one is destroyed, the swarm continues seamlessly. No central control, no single point of failure. What sets it apart is its ability to blend into radar clutter. These drones are rumored to be constructed with advanced metamaterials that manipulate electromagnetic waves. They can mimic the radar signatures of birds, commercial aircraft, or even vanish completely depending on the mission. Some say they communicate using laser-based tight beam networks, almost impossible to intercept or jam. They don't rely on GPS, they triangulate using environmental signals, terrain recognition, and encrypted onboard navigation AI. Even in denied environments, with full electronic warfare interference, the Spectre swarm is said to operate flawlessly. According to speculative reports, Project Specter has already been deployed in contested zones where conventional air support would have been a death sentence. These drones operate at night, in clouds, under rain, moving in total silence. Their rotors are custom-built to reduce noise to near undetectable levels. Locals in some regions describe berry shapes in the sky followed by targeted strikes precise, fast, and completely untraceable. One of the most controversial elements surrounding Project Specter is its rumored kill authority. Unlike previous autonomous systems, which always required a human in the loop, Spectre allegedly can eliminate threats after verifying them through multiple data points, thermal scans, biometric ID, behavioral pattern analysis, and even voice print recognition. Critics argue this crosses a dangerous line, but if true, it represents the first generation of combat AI that not only sees, but also decides. The size of the Spectre drones is also believed to be highly modular. Some are mosquito-sized, capable of entering enemy bunkers or facilities unnoticed. Others are more like Ghost Plane's dark, delta-winged units that cruise just below the radar ceiling. The swarm, as a whole, behaves like a living organism. Each drone learns from its environment, shares that knowledge with the others, and evolves the swarm's behavior with every mission. This isn't just technology, it's battlefield adaptation in real time. Project Specter may also tie into something called neural fog, an experimental DARPA-backed system where the swarm not only observes the battlefield, but generates predictive models of enemy behavior. Imagine drones anticipating where an enemy might move next, not reacting, but acting first. If this tech is even half as real as insiders suggest, it changes everything. Not only how wars are fought, but who even stands a chance. The existence of Project Specter is, of course, officially denied. There are no public images, no press briefings, and certainly no admissions. But satellite anomalies, strange electronic interference reports, and testimonies from retired contractors point to something that matches Specter's rumored capabilities. Even if it doesn't exist now, it may already be shaping the doctrine of future warfare. And perhaps the most chilling question of all, if Project Specter has already been deployed, who or what has it already eliminated without anyone ever knowing?